Hey there, coffee lovers! Logan here, professional barista for MajestyCoffee.com. Today we're here unboxing the Pavoni Europiccola 8-cup espresso machine. Let's get started. So let's break into this. So first things first, we have a box inside of a box. Let's get this one out and open our next one. Alright, so here's that nice box within the box. Wonderful packaging from Pavoni. Let's open this one and see what's inside. Inside here we have that nice user manual, which comes in a variety of languages with some really nice pictures and helpful, useful information. We also have a quick start guide and warranty information, as well as a few other tools in the back here, such as cleaning supplies. Hang on to these and don't lose them. So inside here we have those two pieces of styrofoam. Packing this in nice and safe, I'm just going to pull that out and open it up. So here's what that machine looks like once you get it out of the styrofoam. We've got all of your accessories nice and safely packed in there. Let's take all that out and set it up on our bar. So here's the Europiccola out of its box. It comes in this lovely chrome and stainless steel option, which looks really nice on your countertop. This manual lever piston operated machine comes with a 20-ounce boiler that's supposed to give you around 8 shots of espresso before you need to refill. It comes with this really nice steam wand on the side over here, a drip tray down below that just goes in like so. Pretty big, so you won't have to empty it too often. On the side over here, you'll notice this glass tube that allows you to monitor the level of your boiler and see when it's ready to brew. On the bottom, we have this nice on-off switch, which is very easy and heats up that 1100 watt heater. That heater is really nice and will bring your boiler up to pressure very quickly. Also included is this nice safety valve, which ensures that once your machine is up to temperature, it doesn't overheat or build up too much steaming pressure. Inside, you also have a thermostat that regulates your temperature. Included in your accessories is going to be this really nice 52mm stainless steel portafilter with a double spout. You also have a single basket included as well. This comes with a nice black handle here and locks into your machine, turning to the left just like so. We also have this nice black handle which will attach to your lever as so. This will allow you to control the piston within your group head, allowing you to control the flow profile of your espresso. By lifting this lever all the way up, you begin your pre-infusion process, and as you begin to slowly pull down, you reach your desired pressure and finish your extraction. Also included in the accessories pack are a few other things. We have your single basket here. We have a plastic tamp and a plastic scoop, which to be honest, I would look into upgrading both of these. And then we also have a series of small tools you can use to work on your machine. And lastly, included in this accessory package is this cappuccino steamer here. I personally have never used one, but it's a fun addition to your package, allowing you to steam more Italian style cappuccinos in a cinch. Up top above your boiler, we have this valve here, which allows you to open it, fill with water, completely seal it off nice and tight, and then your machine will begin to boil once you turn that power button to the on position. So once again, just recapping those nice features on the Pavoni Europiccola 8-cup espresso maker. This machine comes with a 20-ounce boiler, which is nickel plated and solid brass, so this boiler will last you a very long time. This machine comes with the manual lever, which is piston operated, so you lift it up to start your pre-infusion, slowly pulling it down with your own pressure to create your own flow profile. This machine can make around 8 espressos, though you do want to keep in mind if you're using the steam wand, it will make less than that, which isn't a problem because as soon as you finish your tank, you let it cool down, refill it, and then it will heat up very quickly after that. The heating element comes with the internal thermostat and reset fuses, so your temperature is constantly being monitored and controlled. The 1100 watt heater ensures that your machine heats up nice and quick. Included in this package is the nice 52mm stainless steel portafilter, and you will want to look into upgrading your tamper to fit that 52mm portafilter. The Europiccola has a really nice small footprint, weighing it at 15 pounds and only 12 inches high, so this would be great on your countertop, in your apartment, etc. As mentioned before, this machine comes in that wonderful chrome and stainless steel finish, and let me just tell you, it looks amazing as the light hits it on your countertop. So now let's talk about who will benefit the most from using the Europiccola manual lever espresso machine. This machine is going to be best suited for home use, especially for those prosumer users that like to get very hands-on with their brew. One of the really great features about this machine is you can perfectly control your own pre-infusion and flow profile with a little bit of practice. In my opinion, it's almost like a science experiment, creating your own recipes and seeing what works. Even though this machine appears intimidating when you stare at it, it really is quite simple to use and very fun to learn. So I'd recommend this machine for anyone from a prosumer user to a seasoned barista to even just a beginner just starting out. One thing to keep in mind though is this machine does seriously get hot, so you do want to be careful when it's on your countertop, not to burn yourself, your kids, etc. So that's all we have for today. I hope you enjoyed unboxing the Pavoni Europiccola manual lever espresso machine with me. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as we'll be having more videos with this machine very soon. After that, head on over to majestycoffee.com to check out machines like the Europiccola and many more great espresso machines and espresso grinders. Our friendly customer support is standing by via live chat or phone to help you make the right decision. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you next time.